90% of the data in the world was created in the last 3 to 4 years. We don't even know what's in that data yet, but if you are a company that's supporting your customers, then you got to help them unlock that power. Hitachi has a heritage of social responsibility, which also goes to the ecosystem we're part of, and really all of the balance of the nature and all of that really comes from that Japanese tradition. It's really amazing in the industry today because you're integrating cloud solutions, niche solutions that have those vertical or expertise. You take advantage of disruption. You take advantage of the chaos that's happening in the marketplace. And I think Hitachi Vantara and our transformation program called Mirai, we're going to demonstrate that in spades.
Mirai is the Japanese word for the future, and it's about Hitachi Vantara's and our digital transformation. So it's all facets of the company. And what it means for sales is bringing about new go-to-markets, new selling motions, about effectiveness and productivity of our sales teams. It's about giving them the digital tools that they need to do the job, and also matching the way that customers expect to be sold to.
Before, we were on different systems between sales and services. And now we start seeing data that we've never seen. When you're on a single system, everybody in the company can have a single view into the customer lifecycle. In our services business, the deployment that we did on Salesforce CPQ is for our renewals business. The way that we build a customer and charge them, it's all recurring revenue. We have to be able to track their consumption, their storage or CPU or any other things that we can define. So any given a large quote could potentially have 1,500 to 2,000 line items underneath it. We have to be able to provide a quote at that single line item back to the customer. Salesforce CPQ allows us to do that.
Trailblazing for Hitachi Vantara is new ways to innovate. We want to simplify the process by where a sales rep puts together quoting. We start to suggest, we make it simpler.
It's ingrained into us from the day we start working here. It's all about the customer.
The aha moment for me was really the human aspect of this, the passionate commitment that everyone has to make this all successful. It absolutely is Trailblazer spirit.